I was really excited to get this little toolbox, and I was trying to think of different things I could do with it. And when I took it out of the box, I said, holy cow, I can just put this on my desk and put pens and stuff in the top. And in the drawers, I put various paper clips and desk stuff. And these little bins were mine. And it's cute. It sits right there. The drawers are all padded. When you get it, they have drawer liners in them. And the drawers are not ball bearing, but they slide pretty well for the kind of load that you're going to put in it. I think it's fine. And it's affordable. And like I say, it's kind of cute. So give it a try. I think you'll like it. Cheers.
I have my makeup in here, and then I have all my extra stuff in here. So all the goodies. I just stack everything up. I did have my makeup, but I don't have enough makeup to fill it. So I just did my extra hand sanitizers and little pieces for stuff.